At Acro Industries, we have 3 divisions, one of which is our stamping division. We go from a 30-ton press up to a 600-ton press. So a part that's something that could be in the palm of your hand to something that you're going to need a couple of hands to hold on to.
So the tonnage allows us to be able to manufacture very thin materials at high speed rate, and the large tonnage allows us to do very large components with very thick gauge material, up to a 1/4 inch thick steel. So we can support just about anything that you would have a need for in metal stamping here at Acro Industries.
This particular job is an agricultural job that goes in a 500-ton press. In fact, we have a press for just about every application.
So our high-speed presses are capable of running up to 300 strokes a minute.
We can do millions and millions of parts on it. It's something that will be a smaller part that's set up in a progressive die that will feed through and just spit them out like gumballs. So we cover everything you ever needed, from mechanical, hydraulic, to high speed.
So everything in a press matters. Everything is about size of the press and tonnage. So when we design that die to manufacture the part for you, we know what tonnage and size bed and machine we need to get the best part for you. You don't need to worry about that at all. We take care of that all here at Acro.
A typical handheld part that we stamp here at Acro will be something about this size and weight. And these are primarily for the aerospace industry. We do a lot of different variations of this part, probably about 30 different models. And then when I say model, it could have single hole, it could have multiple holes, it could be a little larger in diameter, a little smaller in diameter.
We run a lot of stainless steel, we run a lot of aluminum, we run a lot of cold roll. Our warehouse stores quite a few different types of common materials. So if we need to run a part quickly for you, we may have material on the shelf that we can run within hours.
This is a component that we make it for the trailer industries. This is one of about 15 or 20 different sizes and configurations. This is another stamping that we produce. It's an automotive application. It's a progressive die, so it's going through a variation of hits. Here's a product that we make for the motorcycle industry. It's an add-on accessory item for a seat. It's something that we had a big time at design influence on.
So our facilities are all environmentally controlled, temperature and humidity. We're not susceptible to the flash rusting that happens a lot with high humidities or high temperature facilities. We design and build our own tools in-house. It's very important because we're stamping here at Acro. So we want to design the tools that are made for our presses so they can run the quality we need here at Acro.
Here's a couple of parts that interesting story. This is something that is a stamping operation right now, but started off as a low volume laser cutout part. Many times when you kick off a project, you do a short run type of application because you want to make sure that that application is going to fit. And as the volumes increase, we produce a compound die.
So we're very vertically integrated so we can control our own operations inside. We have CNC machining that supports our core manufacturing capabilities, very extensive engineering support, both product design, tool design, gauges and fixture design. The benefit to the customer of having it all in-house is that we can control everything here. We can reduce and collapse the lead time to our customers and control our own destiny.
You can have the machines out on your floor, but you got to have the people. Without the skill set to make those machines run, you'll never get anywhere.
You know, people are happy here. You know, we come to work, we say good morning to each other, we work as a team. Definitely translates to the quality of product. Yep.
Because if you're happy, you're going to have a good product. Our goal is to make sure that people are happy, and that's what makes Acro different than other shops.